As many of you may have realized, the school has been on lockdown for the past few weeks. Many students and faculty have questioned this security measure.
A former student come in one of the back doors and assault one of our kids. So we're trying to prevent stuff like that. And if that had been a gunman that came in the school, because we've got so many doors and only a few people that can watch them, so there's going to be a door that's uncovered by somebody. So by locking them, then the secretaries in the front see everybody who comes in the school after the school day has started. It's a little bit more stressful, I would say, but is it needed? Yes, for their safety.
When asked whether or not it was a safety issue regarding students not being able to enter the building, Mr. Olstrom added,
because during the school day, you're not supposed to be going out to your car or anything like that. If it's at lunchtime, then there's other students that are going to be out there. And if you call for help, I'm constantly walking around the building, and so is Mr. Blackman and Mr. Martinez. So if you need help, then we'll be there to help you.
Wait a second. Is this really true? WBC crew members went out to investigate.
The story that I did not have told of mustard mayhem. I'm fighting and running away from Mustard Man. He's taking me to the lights of fire. Mustard Man, woo woo, and now I must serve you. I am on the town. Hey, cutie.
What the heck?
Don't worry.
Wait, who are you?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Oh, no. Better go to the school. It's my only safe place. It's 8:35 and the doors are locked.
Get my Get back here! How dare you get away from my reach? Come here! Don't worry, child!
Get away from me!
Come here! Come here! No! Yeah!
Josh! Josh! Somebody! No, he's coming! Please! Mr. Blackburn!
No one can hear you scream! Ah!
Somebody! Josh! Josh!
Yeah!
That was awesome. No.
Oh, should we help them? Oh no, we may get detention if we open the door for them. Oh.
So there you have it, Wood River. Get to class on time. And last of all, stay safe out there.